This is Dhirendra from Java tutorial. Today we will see JDBC. JDBC Java Permanent Java Database Connectivity. JDBC is a Java database connectivity. Using JDBC, we can connect the database. We can connect the database from Java application. JDBC is a Java database connectivity. Using JDBC, we can connect the database from Java application. JDBC API is a Java API. Actually, JDBC is an API of Java. JDBC API is a Java API that can access any kind of tabular data, especially data stored in a tabular format or means relational database. JDBC API is a Java API. API means application programming interface. JDBC API is a Java API that can access any kind of tabular data, especially data stored in tabular data stored in relational database. By using JDBC, we can develop persistence logic. By using JDBC, we are developing persistence logic. What is persistence logic? The logic which is used to connect with the persistence storage area or permanent place or database is called persistence logic. Persistence logic layer is also called DAO layer. Persistence logic layer is also called DAO layer. That DAO means data access object. By using JDBC, we can develop DAO layer. Persistence logic. Persistence logic. Persistence logic. The logic which is used to connect with database or persistence storage. Persistence storage area or permanent place is called persistence logic. It's called persistence logic. Persistence logic is also called DAO layer. Data access object. We can develop persistence layer. Using any number of technology like JDBC, Hibernate, JPA, Java Persistence API, Spring DAO, Spring ORM. We can develop the persistence logic. Using JDBC, Hibernate, JPA, Java Persistence API. Spring DAO, Spring ORM. Any number of technology nowadays in the market. By using that, we can develop persistence logic like JDBC. JDBC is actually we never use JDBC in the real time in the company. Nowadays we are using framework like Hibernate, JPA, Spring DAO, Spring ORM. We use this technology to develop persistence layer. We can develop the persistence logic or persistence layer. Persistence means permanent storage area. Persistence means permanent storage. Persistence means permanent storage area, either files or DB. Persistence means storing the data in relational database using SQL. Persistence means storing the data in relational database using SQL. The logic which is used to connect with the database or persistence storage area is called persistence logic. By using input-output streams, JDBC, Spring DAO, ORM tool, Hibernate, JPA, we can store the data into permanent place. there is a lot of problem to store data in the file. Yeah, storing the data into files is not recommended because a lot of drawbacks of files. Maintain huge amount of data is difficult in the file. There is no security for the data. It doesn't support query language. Getting the data using conditions also not possible in the file. To overcome above drawbacks, we will go for DB, database. Drawbacks of file. Drawbacks of file. Drawbacks of file. 1. Maintain huge amount of data is difficult. There is no security. There is no security for the data. It doesn't support query language. Like if you want to get record more than 10,000 of employee salary or a particular employee ID, that is not possible in the that is not possible to access in the file system. Getting the data using conditions not possible. So this is the drawbacks of file system. File cannot maintain huge amount of data. There is not security in the data because just open the file and write something and save that file. It also doesn't support query language like SQL. Getting the data using conditions also not possible because file system not support query language. To overcome this type of drawbacks, we will go for database. So before learning JDBC, you should knowledge of core Java and SQL. So here prerequisite of JDBC. You should knowledge of core Java, and SQL knowledge. you should knowledge of core Java and SQL. Now in the next session we will see JDBC driver. Thanks for watching this video, and I request you please subscribe and press the bell button to get new videos. Thank you.